This video is brought to you by Help Young Minds, and I'm your host, Alycia. Today's topic is calculating percentages. To calculate percentages, it's important to identify the two parts of our question, the percentage value and our total number value. This is the number we are finding the percentage of. Now, how do we solve a question like this by hand? Let's look at our example, 20% of 36. Our first step is to turn the percentage into a fraction over 100. This will allow us to multiply easier in our next steps. 20% turned into a fraction is 20 over 100. Now we move on to the next step. Our next step is to turn our total number value into a fraction over 1. This is 36 divided by 1. Now that we have both numbers as fractions, we can do the next step and multiply them together. Multiply the numerators together, 20 times 36, and multiply the denominators together, 100 times 1. You will get 720 over 100 as your final answer for this step. Note, you should always have 100 as your denominator. Now for our final step, we need to divide the fraction by 100. To do this, we simply move the decimal point of the numerator to the left by 2 places. So for 20% of 36, we have the final answer of 7.20. Let's try another question. 32% of 881. Here, 32 is our percentage, and 881 is our total value number we are finding a percentage of. Our first step is to turn our percentage into a fraction over 100. 32% is equal to 32 over 100. Next, we turn our total value number into a fraction over 1. This is 881 divided by 1. Then we multiply these fractions together. Multiplying the numerators, 32 and 881, and multiplying the denominators, 100 times 1. You will receive 28,192 divided by 100 as your final answer for this step. Now we divide by 100. Doing this, we simply move the decimal place of the numerator by 2 places to the left. Now we have the final answer that 32% of 881 is 281.92. On screen are some practice questions. Try to solve these using the steps described in the video and see if you can come up with the same solutions provided. Remember to follow the 4 steps in our video. 1. Turn percentages into a fraction over 100. 2. Turn the total number value into fraction over 1. 3. Multiply fractions together. And 4. Divide by 100. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.